Hi everyone, Terilee Harrison, author of High Level Networking, and I am so delighted to be speaking at the Masterclass Sessions coming in September. We're going to be talking about top strategies for creating that steady stream of referrals that you're looking for and you might not be getting. So we're going to redefine networking. It's not just attending an event, getting in a contact, hoping to get a lead. There's so much more to it. We're going to be talking about how to be on the lookout for collaboration partners, how to leverage the relationships with the people that we meet, and so much more. If you're ready to change the results you're getting from your networking efforts, tune in. We'll be so delighted to have you there and so delighted to help you get that roadmap you need to get that return on investment you're looking for from your network. Look forward to seeing you there, everyone.